Just a couple more things to note here. Make sure before you slide the compression tool on that you don't have any wires that are hanging over the edge. Another thing that you can do is basically take those wires and just move them all back. You could put a piece of Velcro onto the stripper tool too, which allows it to basically grab these fairly quickly, but you can give it a haircut, basically move all those little fibers that are hanging. I usually leave the foil, but you could do it either way. I guess it doesn't really matter because it's going to jam into the middle section later. But basically you don't want any wires hanging over the edge. If any of the wires or the foil were to touch that wire, that would short out. So basically I've got all these cables stripped back now, combed back. I'm just going to push this on again till the white is even, or just about even. I like to pull it back just a hair so it doesn't isn't so tight to turn in the end when it's all finished. So there you can see it's jammed right up against. So I'm just going to take it and move it just back about a 32nd of an inch, very, very little, but just so that it's not causing friction in there. Then I'm going to take my compression tool and stick it in, compress, make sure it's all the way, and take it out, and there you have it. A good tight fit, and now the end actually turns pretty good. If you jam it right up against there, it can make it a little bit tight as a user end to turn that. And I sometimes nip this off a little bit to make sure it's nipped off good and straight, or you can end up with a really sharp end and cut yourself like I did.